Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. At kami po ay isang pamilya na nakatira sa abroad. I am a teacher here in Vietnam and my husband is a digital nomad and we are living together with our uh, daughter here in Vietnam. Kami po ay nag-share ng mga videos about the real life experience here and abroad, the papers needed to stay longer here in Vietnam, at saka yung mga guide kung paano ayusin yung mga dokumento ng mga Pilipino dyan sa Pilipinas at kung paano gamitin dito sa Vietnam. All right, so without any further ado, let's start with our video now. Video na ito ay kung paano gumawa at kumuha ng NBI clearance sa online. So here is the step-by-step guide. Una, pumunta sa clearance.nbi.gov.ph at saka pag-open mo ng web page na ito ay makikita mo itong data privacy content. Just click agree. And here is advisory from this page also. Okay, it, it says notice is hereby given to all NBI clearance applicants who are first-time applicants or yung nag-renew ng NBI clearance nila or nag-renew ng NBI clearance na may correction, just like for example, from single to married, ganon. And then, may ID lang tayo na pwede natin gamitin sa pagkuha ng NBI clearance, just like national ID, UMID, passport, driver's license, birth certificate, non-dedicated galing sa PSA mismo, dalhin ang original copy. At saka, it says here, please keep in mind that non-government issued ID such as company ID kasi sa private po yan, barangay clearance are not accepted as valid IDs in processing NBI. However, ang barangay clearance is needed pag first time mo pang kumuha ng trabaho or ng NBI. Alright, so just click close. Now, if mag-renew po kayo, may record na kayo sa NBI ng data nyo, you can actually renew that and be delivered to you at home. Alright, so it says get your NBI clearance straight to your doorstep. So mag-ano lang po tayo ng NBI clearance online renewal, yan po yung i-click nyo. Okay, if you want it to be delivered sa house nyo. Pero ang pag-uusapan po natin ay paano gumawa ng account sa NBI. So, register as new account. So, nakita niyo po dyan sa right side corner na yan. Please take note on that and then proceed it, scroll it down. Makikita niyo po yan dyan, yung ipipilian nyo. Sorry, pagpipilian nyo yung gender, civil status, birth date, first name, surname, or your last name, at saka yung mobile number nyo, and make sure na may access po kayo sa email address nyo at active po yung email address nyo kasi kailangan nyo po ng verification at yan po ang gagamitin nyo ulit sa pagkuha ng NBI clearance. And then, uh, uh, and then have your password, click read and accept terms of services, and then yun na. So, pag na-verify nyo na po yung account nyo sa email address nyo, gamitin nyo na yan ngayon sa pag-sign in with your password and click sign in. Nandyan yan sa right side banda. Tapos, oh, yan yung asawa ko, kakikising lang. Okay, edit information. Okay, so edit information una. Alright, tapos pag-click nyo ng edit information, may lalabas na ganito. Just fill this out. So, first name, middle name, last name, gender, nickname, kung ano yung palayaw mo, at saka yung complete address nyo, lahat niyan. And then, scroll it down sa family background. Kung married ka, so ilagay mo yung pangalan ng asawa mo at saka yung father's name, mother's name, that is very basic. And then, educational attainment, lahat. Ang height pala na hinahanap nila is centimeter, hindi feet or foot, gano'n. Ano ba yung 5 feet? Oh, feet pala. Okay. And then identifying marks kung may mga, for example, may malaki kang balat sa pisngi, may malaki kang balat sa leg, sa kamay, ayun yung ilalagay mo or may ano ba yung palatandaan sa mukha mo, meron pa ikaw na malaking, tattoo sa shoulder mo, gano'n. Alright? And then save information. Right after that, na-save mo yung information. That is the time that you will click apply for clearance, for appearance. So una talaga, first time application ay dapat mag-a-appear po kayo sa NBI office. Okay? Now, after that, lalabas ito. If you click apply for clearance, ito yung lalabas. If you have paid the reference number from, oh, okay, wala yan. Okay. So, yan. Kung matagal na yan. So, this is 2026 anyway. So, ito yung mga type of ID, i-click mo yan dyan kung ano yung gagamitin mo at saka yung ID number mo. And if everything is okay, click agree. So ito yung mga ID na magagamit mo actually. Yan ako lang dito yung camera. Okay. Yun. Yung UMID, passport, national ID, voters ID, BIR, PRC, birth certificate na authenticated ng PSA, driver's license. Actually, dalawang dadalhin mo pag-ibig, not the loyalty card, okay? Postal ID certification from the local civil registry, ganon. At saka, meron pa PRC license, yeah, okay. Solo parent ID, company ID, kung government ka, kung galing ka sa, DepEd, Seaman's Book, school ID together with the current registration card, kung estudyante ka, senior citizen ID and Marina. Okay, so yun yung mga ID na tinatanggap nila. Now, important tips. Your registration code or reference number will be provided after you select your payment option. Kasi right after nito, pipili na tayo kung saan tayo apply or saang branch tayo kukuha ng NBI natin. So just click close. Ito na yan. So select NBI branch. Pumili ng branch na malapit sa'yo, hindi yung malayo kasi yun yung day na may availability sila baka kasi mapasubo ka sa traffic gano'n. Alright, so katulad sa akin, pinili ko ay nasa Bacolod sa 888 Mall kasi galing taga Bacolod ako. And always remember na they only got 150 slots a day. So after that, 150 slots in the morning, 150 slots in the afternoon. Okay? Now, ano-ano ba? And then right after you click that, magbabayad na tayo. Okay? So, saan ba tayo pwede magbayad? So, over the counter, kung gusto mo na doon ka na mismo magbayad, online bank, cash payments, yun, oh sorry, correct. Sa GCash, sa Visa, PayMaya, ShopeePay, DragonPay, yun, i-click mo yan dyan. And then, magpo-prompt na lang yan kung anong susunod mo na gagawin. Okay? So, right after na-set mo na yung appointment mo, recheck it again, yung mga data lahat, kasi non-refundable pag nagbayad na ikaw. Alright? Now, so once you click proceed to payment, here are the next step. Okay, a reference number will be generated. So if you want to use the GCash, then mag-ano na yan dyan, yung QR code na i-scan mo. Yung reference number, yun yung gagamitin mo sa pagbayad. So click proceed. Okay, now, ito yung lalabas ulit. So, i-review mo yan kung saan ka, tama ba yung branch na pupuntahan mo, and then yung price is 130. Okay? Always remember that you need to pay that within the day. Kasi kung hindi mo yan mababayaran within the day, ang mangyayari ay katulad nito, pending. Yun. So, kukuha ka ulit, mag-a-apply ka ulit ng NBI clearance. Hindi ka na maggagawa ng information, of course. So, babalik ka sa apply for na NBI clearance. Yon. So, for example, nabayaran mo na gamit ang GCash, ito yung mangyayari. May pangalan na yan dyan na paid. Alright? Okay. Any questions? Parang sa classroom lang. Ganyan lang po. So if you have some questions, kindly comment down below and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. Okay. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.